to our channel. So today we have a little bit of a different video that you don't usually see on our channel. So today we've done a little bit of a maintenance week. So kind of like what we get done, from our nails to our eyelashes to our hair to our tan. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please keep watching. This is just all things that we do to make us feel happy. Obviously not everybody likes to do this, but we choose to do it just because we like it. It makes us feel good, it makes us feel happy, and that's why we do it. If you're wondering where our dresses are from, they're from Zara. We'll link them down below. Enjoy the video.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting.
Hey guys, so this is actually where we get our eyelashes done. Definitely recommend it, they're so good in there. Eyelashes also had facials in there as well, so definitely worth checking out. Okay, so I'm now about to get my lashes done. I'm here with Eva. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go for the classic and, what's the other one called again?
Russian.
Russian mixed together, but more on the classic side.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.
Okay, so I've just finished up. I don't know if you can see, they look so nice. I'm so happy with them. So if you guys are interested, make sure you come and check Eva out. So what else do you do? So you do...
I also do brows.
She also does brows.
Like microblading, the ombre powder one, lip liner, eyeliner as well.
Yeah, I'll leave her Instagram in the description down below, so make sure you check it out. Okay, so I'm now gonna start getting my eyelashes done, and I will show you the before, which is these, and then I'll show you the after. I'm with Eva again. Guys, so we've started on the right eye, which you'll see is a little bit fuller. What lashes have I got? Is it the same as Zeliha, or?
Yeah, so the same as Zeliha, so just a bit of a mix, really.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so Aisha's just getting her cash out to get her nails done. We'll show you a pin. We're here with Emily as well.
Hello.
She's come to meet us to get our nails done. We're now going to get our nails done. We actually get them done at this shop here. Wait. No. Okay, so we actually get them done in here, which is Angel Nails and Night. Thank you for spoiling the video. Oh, what colour do I get? Okay, I'm going to go red. This is what I use, guys, all the time when you ask me what red I'm wearing. It's this one, and it's called Big Red Apple. Mine is so bad now, look at them. So bad. What are you two getting?
No idea.
Ash, what are you feeling?
I don't know if to just stick with what I had. I can't even remember what that's called.
It's called Passion. I already know.
Where find that?
So they're stuck with which ones to get, but I'm definitely going to go red. So it's called Passion, Ash.
Yeah, okay, find Passion.
I'll help you find it.
How is that there? Oh,
Well, she found one, but she's not sure. It's definitely OPI, and that's OPI.
Answer
Angel Nails.
I work here part-time.
Which one are you getting?
That, but it doesn't look like it on.
Trust me,
My
once
nails.
you've got it on,
It's
you don't
meant
like
to be
it.
like that, which I'm so confused.
Maybe it goes. I'm thinking about doing red and then going matte like this, and then putting matte on top, because my nails are still short, but I don't want to get like a new set. So like I'm on acrylic like infills at the moment, so they're still quite short. I think I might do red and then go matte on top. Oh, hers are already starting.
It's like 9 o'clock, I'm so tired. Are you black?
Like these have got to be your nails for the month. Look, I went this colour and they've gone dirty because like obviously I touch money at work.
That's
and
why
that.
I'm worried about that colour.
Yeah.
That's quite nice.
That's light. Obviously, if you want to stick with your pinks, stick with your pinks. What are you gonna do?
Between these two.
It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth.
I copied her. Yeah.
Now me and Zeliha are going to get our eyebrows done. We'll show you where it is.
This is where we go to get our eyebrows done. This place called Brows in Chapelfield. So yeah.
Cry getting my eyebrows.
Yeah, she literally cries. When I'm in pain, I usually like move my legs. That's when I know she'll move her legs when it hurts her. Oh, it's hurting already. They look so nice.
Zeliha.
Yeah.
Her name's Jackie.
Oh, cool. Know that for next time.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, look at my spot.
Oh. Do you like them?
Yeah.
They look so good. It's my turn.
This is a before of my eyebrows. Really bad and outgrown.
Got you.
Okay, so we've just got our eyebrows done. They're like so red, but they're so much more nicer now. So now we have a better shape, which is great.
We are at home now and it is a couple of days later. Now we're going to be showing you how we dye our hair. We basically do each other's, and this is the hair dye that we use. So I'm going to get started on that, and yeah, I'll talk to you in a while. So Zel's started my hair and she's literally just going to go section by section by, just dyeing it, I guess. Do you want to show them what the bottle looks like? I'm pretty sure everyone who's seen what this looks like. So literally it's like the easiest thing to do. So you get this and you also get, hold on, I'm sure all of you guys know anyway, it basically says 1, 2, 3. So this one is number 2, this one's number 1, and you put that into there and just shake it. Literally, it's so easy. My shade is darkest brown. Yes, we use darkest brown, and it's from like L'Oreal Casting Cream. And you also get like a conditioner, which we really, really like. And also, someone told us that, you know, when you dye your hair, you're not actually meant to wash it with shampoo. You're only meant to just use conditioner, right? But we still shampoo it. Yeah. But just to let you know, just in case, you need to stop moving, love. So the reason why I'm dyeing her hair is because obviously we had the blonde hair, and it comes through, and Ayse's not a fan, so to me, I don't really care because mine started to come through already. But yeah, but yours looks like a brassy, like gold. Can you keep your head that way, please? You should dye yours as well. I don't really want to at the minute. I'm fine with it. So what is that? I came to live it up, do my thing. But yeah, so we'll check back in with you in a moment once we've done.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting, like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating.
Okay, so as you can see, my hair's all slicked back, basically done. She's just doing the last little bit underneath. And then we're just going to leave this in for... You always think you're a hairdresser when you do my hair. I'm a hairdresser. You're definitely not. We always play, come to my salon, you know, welcome, take a seat, would you like coffee, tea? You didn't offer me no coffee, no tea. You had a drink. You had a bagel, didn't you? I did, but did you make bagels? You didn't make it for me. Okay, no, I didn't. I didn't make a bagel. Right, so that's all done. My favourite part of this whole process is taking the gloves off, because it was a hard job, right? It's a hard job. Honestly, hairdressers out there are probably hating right now, but when you haven't got the money and the time, there's nothing wrong with a bit of box dye. No. So now we're going to leave that in her hair for 25 minutes, let's say. 25? It's 25. I thought it's 45. Shut up, is it 45? Don't make me laugh. It's 45. It's not 45, 45. You'll be laughing when you see it's not 45. Okay. It's... $20 minutes. I was right. So let's set a timer. Hold on. Set a timer for 20 minutes. See?
Setting the timer. Okay.
Your timer is set for 20 minutes.
Thank you, Siri. There we go. Cool. So now we're going to do that. While we're waiting, Ayesha's going to... What we're going to do, maybe have a little tidy around. Not that that's got anything to do with this video. And then we're going to get ready because we're going to fake tan. And we're going to show you what we do, what we use. And yeah, it's our new favourite tan at the moment. So
love it. I'm obsessed.
We are. So I'm excited to show you that.
And because I used it the other day, and so many people asked me, what tan am I using?
I wasn't using that, but I got the same question too. Maybe we've just worked on our application. Yeah. So I feel like I've really nailed it now. So I'll have to show you what I use.
Okay, so obviously Zeliha dyed my hair for me yesterday, but I thought I would show you guys what it looks like today. You guys probably would not notice any difference, but as you guys know, I've previously dyed my hair lighter, so once it's been bleached, it gradually comes back through, which is so annoying. So I do have to dye my hair quite often until my hair kind of gets used to it again. But it's all back brown. Like I said, you probably don't see any difference. Literally just taken out of a bun, so sorry, it doesn't look very straight, but I just wanted to show you guys. So I really do love that box dye. So if you do like box dyes, which I know they're not really good, I would recommend that one. Okay, so the next thing that we do is tan. So me and Zel love to tan. We've been tanning for a couple of years now, just because it makes us feel better, and we've swapped between so many different brands. We love Bondi Sands and we also love Love and Tan. So I'm going to show you how we use Love and Tan today. This isn't sponsored or anything, it's just they were gifted to us and we thought we would just show you how we use them. I especially love the mitt from Love and Tan. I think it's really good. It doesn't give you any streaks and I just love it. So I'm going to be showing you how I use the Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in Ultra Dark. So I'm literally going to just show you how I do it. Before we do tan, we always use cream. Let me get it. And this is the cream that we like to use. It's just the Slope and Glory. It smells insane and I love it, but I've already used that, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm just going to show you how I tan. So there's no point in me and Zel both showing you this bit, just purely because we do it exactly the same. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I literally just spread it across my arm. I think it's such a nice colour. It actually is a little bit red toned, but I feel like that gives that kind of natural sunburn slash tan look, which I quite like, and it sort of looks really glowy as well. Okay, so I always do 2 separate pumps just because I quite like a dark tan. And then with the leftover I just rub it on my hands. Zeliha gets really funny about tan on her hands. I don't care so much, but yeah, I know she does this also. And literally that is it, it's all blended in. It was so easy, and I especially think it's because of this mitt. If I was to suggest one thing to get, it definitely would be the mitt. It's amazing. So I'm literally going to do exactly the same on the other side.
This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give.
You guys don't have to do the second pump. This is just generally what I like to do. I just really like looking dark. When you wash it off, some of the tan comes off anyway. So I feel like if I put a little bit more, once you wash it off, you get that nice colour that you actually want.
The summer's calling.
And as you can see, that is both arms done. So it does look quite tanned already, but obviously you have to leave it for a little while and it will gradually get darker, and then you wash it off. So I'm just going to do my chest and show you how I do that as well. And of course I do 2 pumps on that as well. 2 separate pumps.
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together.
Okay, so that is basically what we do, but of course we do it all over our body. Usually I get Ben or Zeliha to do my back for me just because I can't do it by myself. And yeah, there's no point me showing you how I do it everywhere because I think it would get a little bit boring, but I'm sure you guys get what we mean. But like I said, I absolutely love this tan, and I also love Bondi Sands Ultra Dark as well. They're both amazing. But yeah, and that is how we tan. Okay, so that is everything that we like to get done. They're just a couple of things that we just enjoy to pamper ourselves with. We enjoy doing it together as well. Yeah. And it just makes us happy, so why not? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments down below of any other videos you would like us to film. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!